Hey everyone, and welcome to this session of Workflow Wednesdays. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can use ChatGPT to build any type of journey that you want. We just deployed something called the Journey Builder in the ChatGPT store. If you have a Plus subscription, you can go there, add it, and you can ask it to build any type of journey you want. And what it's going to do, it's going to type out the journey, action by action, and the same exact actions that you can actually use within the 50 Skills Journeys platform. This can save you a huge amount of time in getting ideas on how to build your journeys, what types of text and messages and emails you actually want to send out, or to iterate on something that you've already built. You can take pictures of what you already have in the platform, send it in, and get feedback. And it's going to push out that feedback with the actions and items that it can already do within the product. So let's take a look at how it works. First, just go to the ChatGPT store on the URL here above. Then click search and type in 50 skills. You'll find the Journey Builder GPT here, so click that and that's going to open up a new window. Now we recommend that you add it to the sidebar, so just click the keep in sidebar and it's going to show up here on the left, similar to a bookmark. And now how it works, you can just type in any type of journey you want it to build, but you can also see some suggestions here on the top, like create a new hire buddy program, or get some ideas that you can build for me. And so we're just going to click one of these ideas here to see what it can actually do for you. Now, as you can see here, it's already mapping up all sorts of ideas of journeys that you can build and some of the first actions and how you build it. But if you want to expand on any of these, it's going to ask you which one you want to expand on. So if any of these make sense for you, you can expand on those, like for event management, vendor onboarding, marketing campaign, whatever it might be. In this case, we're just going to kind of start with, let's just say number 7, expand on that one and make it detailed. As you can see, it's then going to expand on that particular journey that you selected, and it's going to make it even more detailed, showing you an example of how every single action can be built out. You can even go deeper than this. Instead of just having it tell you that at this point it's send an email, you can actually give it further instructions and say things like, hey, in this step, I was actually missing the emails, so could you actually please rewrite those? And so it's going to rebuild the journey. It's going to include the emails, and even within these emails, it knows how to use tokens within the system. So, for example, if you want to quote someone's supervisor, department, whatever it might be, it's clever enough to kind of add those email snippets in as well. So you can, of course, use the AI whatever way makes the most sense for you, but just copying email subjects and messages, adding them to the system, and then iterating it towards what makes sense for you can be a huge time saver. The tokens as well, the AI will suggest them. So here, for example, it says dear supervisor name, because it's being sent to the supervisor. Just copy pasting this message and then replacing things with the actual tokens can be a big time saver. So we'd love to hear your feedback as well. We're constantly updating and training the AI to make some of the journeys it can build out better. And this is just the beginning, so please share your views in the comments, threads, or messages to our team.